In looking at new technologies to use in the classroom, I was thinking about my school is wanting us to do more with social emotional learner, and I found this emotional ABCs, and it doesn't look super interesting right now. It has a really cute character in the beginning. You get to pick and a little picture password, and then it brings you to these modules, and you just kind of work through them. What I really like about these modules is that in going through them, you see a teacher, but like they also get to see like kids speaking and acting out emotions. So it's not just a cartoon. It's it's people their age, and I think that's important for them to see. Um, as you go through the module, let me see where I found that. As you go through a module, you kind of find, you get introduced to the character Moody, which I think the kids would really like because he's really fun and expressive. Hey, Moody. But you can see all of his emotions, and it kind of goes through and talks about all the things that we see. Moody kind of walks the students through different emotional things. Also in each module, I was kind of noticing they have different games that the kids do. So they'll talk about, whatever the lesson is.
Music is not a feeling, but it can make you feel something.
And then the kids use different things to identify feelings. So you can see that's kind of an example. They have matching games, different kind of body clues you have to figure out. It's just very dynamic, I think, in the things that it has the kids do, the different kind of games they play, the different lessons they go through. I really like this as a social emotional learning tool. It can be very self-paced if you just kind of got your kid on here and they worked through it. This is a free app. It is free for a year with a teacher subscription. So I don't know after a year if there would be a way to renew it for free, but at least for a year it would be free. I think this would definitely be geared towards students. I kind of felt like it might fall into, using technology to create and adopt personalized learning experiences that foster independent learning and accommodate learning differences, just because they can be self-paced and there's so many different types of activities for the kids to do. I feel like it really kind of hits all those different learning styles. Which I really love about this program. I just think it's very dynamic in the things that the kids are seeing and the kids are doing. There's not really anything to create. It's really just going through the different modules. But it is very user-friendly. You just kind of click on the module. And I guess you could do it together as a group or you could do it individually with a student.